Hi, this is Ralph Gully. I'm going to take you on a quick walkthrough through my MVC assignment for BDF, so you can see how it works. You can see right here on my index.php page. This is the page that's called upon when the user goes to the home page. I'll require and the DB, the images model, and the image view pages. As you can see right here, the DB page only contains the database and the user and the password. That keeps it so I don't have to type that in every page. I don't have to hard code it in every page. The model contains the queries for each respective page that I'm on. So the constructor just sets up the query and the communication with the database. This get images is called from the index page, and the get details is called from the details page. So either one, it calls the right thing. So it calls the thumb URL, the image location, which is just a form key for the countries and that country's name. And you can see here that I showed the relationship, and it's countries ID equals image location. So you can see that's how it gets the name of the country. The next thing in the index page is the model. It calls the model. So the model, what it does, it sets up the page, all the contents of the page. So the index page and all other pages will do show header and show footer, but the index page does show latest, and the details page will show details respectively. So what they do is they call the include the latest images .inc is this page right here, and this basically does everything that that you see on the screen. So so it takes the query and it takes all the results in an array, and it loops through them, and it returns the database information. So we set it up, and we show each photo, and we categorize them by the country that they're in. So that's pretty much all that's going on here. It's not really detailed, but that's what it is. The image details page does a similar thing. It just loops through and gets it only gets the single image and the details of that image. So that's basically my MVC assignment, and I'll go real quick to Firefox and let you see that it works. So you can see right here, this is my index page, and if we scroll down, we can see that it has the name of each country, and then below it, each of the images are categorized. And then if you were to keep adding images, it would just add a fourth one here, then would go down to the second row. So it would just keep adding them off of that country. So you can also click on a page, like I'll click on this one right here, and you're taken to the details page, which includes a full-size image of the image. So we are and we can see the details and the name of the country, and it can be formatted later differently, but this is basically how it works and how it's set up. And thank you for watching, and this is how I have done my MVC assignment.